The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. Yeah, for the day of it. Just you want to hear that. Come on, everyone. Oh my God! See man, I give you fear. Take it fear and come out of the man van. Go up here and take it fear. Come out of the man van. Come out. Come out of the man van. Chop out. I don't kill my pastor. It's so serious. Give me the money, man. Drop down. Give me the money. They don't have to come out. Hey, carry that money. Don't not carry in our hand. That's what make it come off. Come off on the boat, man. So don't fear that you have in your hand. What money you have in your hand? You're rich.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Seriousskilla. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, this entire video that I'm doing right about now, viewers and subscribers, is about some videos that is out on social media. And some persons on social media find some of these videos to be funny, while some persons find some of these videos to be not funny. You see what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? And I'm bringing these videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can tell me what you think, if it is funny or not. And you can also tell me if it is real or not. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and viewers and subscribers, I just showed you a video that shows of a female that did not want to get out of a person's vehicle, or you can say that the female did not want to get from out of the back of a person's vehicle. And some comments have been made about this video as well, viewers and subscribers. Some persons are saying, yo, what wrong with that woman here? Why she no want to come out of this muddy vehicle? And you know, and some things. You see me? But anyways, alright, so let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to move on to the next video right about now, viewers and subscribers. And this video that I'm going to show you is one of the videos that I'm saying to myself, yo, you know, me I wonder if it real or if it not real. You see me? Because you know, sometimes you have persons out there that will edit videos and let a certain video look a certain way, you see me? And you might be surprised as to what I'm about to show you right about now, you see me? And I said might be. Alright, now this video that I'm about to show you, viewers and subscribers, is some pieces of videos put together. It's like an edited video, you see me? Now, it is like one of those types of videos that is out on social media or probably on television. You know, like when a video is on TV and you're watching the video on TV showing persons how to use the knife or to use a grater or a blender or to cook food with a certain, you know, product or utensils or kitchen tools or how you might call it. You see what I'm saying to you? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, something had happened in this edited video that I'm talking about. You see me? When I say edited, I mean pieces of videos put together. And what had happened in this, I'm wondering if it's real or not real. And I wanted to tell me if it is real or if it is not real, or if you find it funny or not funny. And you can tell me also what you see in this video that, you know, probably not supposed to be there in this video. You see what I'm saying to you? No, I'm going to tell you what I saw as well, or what I think I saw. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. So here is the video. Take a look and observe. I think I see something like a rat. You see me? Yeah, I think I see something like a rat. And viewers and subscribers, that is the thing too, you know. Me have to hear and I wonder if that is actually the real video itself, because some of the times you have persons on social media that will take a video from off social media and edit the video and put something in the video and try to manipulate the video and make the video look a certain way when the video is totally not that way. You see me? So this is one of the videos that is out there that I'm wondering if what I've seen in the video, if it is actually real or if it is not real. Is what I'm saying to you, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, because trust me, some people out there have all kind of softwares and them things where them can just edit a video and just put what they want in the video. So viewers and subscribers, tell me what you see in the video and tell me if you believe as to what you have seen in the video, viewers and subscribers, if it is real or if it is not real. You see me? Yeah, alright. So right about now, we're going to move on to the next video now, viewers and subscribers. Yes, the next video. Now, this video, according to what has been said about this video on social media, is that this video shows of a person where this person's phone exploded or caught on fire in the person's pocket. That's what I'm saying to you, viewers and subscribers. It's a very short video, you know, and I'm not saying that what has been said about this video on social media is a lie, but at the same time, I'm looking at it and I'm saying to myself, wow. You see me? It makes me start to double think about this whole phone in my pocket thing. You see me? But anyways, take a look at this video and tell me what you think. Tell me if it is real or if it is not real. Tell me if you're concerned about this video or what. Alright? Tell me if you're concerned as to what you have seen in the video. Tell me what you think. Observe. Yeah, so viewers and subscribers, this is one of the videos that I'm concerned about. You see me? Yeah, I mean, someone's phone explode in their pocket, and that is if what has been said about this video on social media is true. You see what I'm saying to you? Because, you know, some of the times, sometimes some things posted on social media will give you a totally different information about something that had happened. Is what I'm saying to you. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm looking at this video and I'm saying to myself, whoa, you know, it seems as if phones can be dangerous, you know. You see me? Yeah, because I've heard where persons say that phones explode and all these things before, you know. So it's not the first me I hear something like this. You see me? Yeah, this had me really thinking and a little alert. You see me? Alright, so let's move on to the final video right about now, viewers and subscribers. And this video is about kite surfing. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, you know, the first time I saw something like this, I didn't even know a name or understand what it was. Is what I'm saying to you. And I'm saying to myself, wow, this thing is fun and so forth. You see me? But someone told me that this kite surfing, if you don't know what to do, it can be dangerous. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you a video that is going to show of a person that was kite surfing. And what had happened in this video, viewers and subscribers, you know, some persons find it funny, you know, and some persons don't find it funny. And as for me, it's a bit of a mixture of funny and concerned for the person that I'm about to show you in this video, you see me? And as to what had happened in this video as well, you see me? Now, take a look and tell me what you think, alright? Observe.
Me fort. Ué, puta! Marinka.
So what I'm saying, viewers and subscribers, what I saw in this video, I'm saying to myself, whoa, you see me? I mean, what if that kite had keep going and bring that person way out into the ocean? That's the part I'm concerned about now, viewers and subscribers, you know? So I'm looking at it and I'm saying to myself, yo, you know, this kite thing, I'm not so sure that I would try it, you know? I'm not saying that person shouldn't do it because it's a great sport, you know? Persons love to do this thing that is known as kite surfing, is what I'm saying to you. But you know, I think that somewhat of a good training have to be done, because what I just saw in this video shows me that, you know, you have to know what you're doing. This is what I'm saying to you. Yo, viewers and subscribers, me I tell you, that's not normal. You see me? Here's the question. Would you do kite surfing? Or would you not do kite surfing? You see me? Let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Yeah, so this is where I leave it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what go on. Is what I'm saying to you. I just presented some videos to you to let you have a look and see what's going on social media, you know, and bring it to you so that you can have a look at it. You can tell me what you think. Alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think, and if you need to contact the Dancehall Skilla, just read the description down below the video. Alright? Yeah, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Yazid.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.